Happy New Year. It's Ty Bullard here at Joe Bullard Automotive. We just wanted to come and wish you a Happy New Year. Recapping 2024, as you think about it, some big things happened in 2024. Nick Saban retired in January. I mean, that was huge around this area, and certainly thankful if you're an Ole Miss fan. I turned 40. Like, I cannot believe I turned 40 in March. Big deal for me. And exciting, for sure. The Olympics, got to watch the Olympics. The U.S. brought home the most gold medals and the most medals, so that was certainly exciting. Proud of the U.S. to do that. We had a possible assassination attempt, which was so surreal, and it's probably one of those things you remember where you were and you saw that. But thankful President-elect Trump was not assassinated, but it was certainly something that had never seen before. Hurricane Helene really tore up North Carolina. Still please think about those people in North Carolina that are still struggling today from Hurricane Helene. Terrible situation. The election, thank gosh the election's over. It is done with. We don't have to worry about that in 2025. Interest rates went down, certainly helpful for our business, but it was glad to see some interest rates tick down for the consumers. It's certainly helpful. Jaguar, no one has mentioned the Jaguar brand in years. Whether you agree with it or not, a couple people mentioned Jaguar brand this year. So that was certainly something that happened. New cars, we actually had new cars come on our lot that were available. Like you could walk in the lot and actually test drive a new car. That was new to us this year. And then I'll tell you this, Taylor Swift ended her tour this year. So certainly a big moment. Cool thing about that was she gave 10% of her tour proceeds to her staff, which is certainly an admirable thing to do. But going into 2025, one of the coolest things, it's our 70th year business. This is our 70th year serving this community and being in business. And that is because of our customers being so loyal to us and our great employees just taking care of them. We're so thankful for our people that make Joe Bullard what it is today, and I want to thank them for another great year in 2024. I wish you and your family a happy new year, and we look forward to serving you in 2025. Take care.